Alright, this video is going to be an update to my knives that I made using my Mr. Volcano forge. The last video was me slicing up pumpkins, and my son said, well, that's real cute, but nobody's going to have to worry about pumpkins out in the middle of the woods being attacked by them. So I thought, yeah, I need to do a more realistic video. So today, I'm going to be using these two knives, short machetes, to chop up some firewood. And this firewood is tough. It's a hardwood. I've got a splitter. It's hard for me to split them. Just really, really dense wood. We're going to be chopping a little bit on that. Chop it on the railroad tie, which is kind of springy. It's a real old tie. But let's see what this can do to hardwood. This is the lawnmower blade. This is a piece of scrap metal. I have no idea what it is. This is creosote. I just did the test and realized I didn't turn the camera on, so I'm doing it again. All right. Now both of these have got cord handles, which I'm probably going to replace them with wood. It's a pretty good chunk of wood taken out of that. And this is really super hard wood. I want to be careful of that blade because it is sharp. This blade seems to be able to cut better because of the weight, and I think the lawnmower steel is a better steel. This is probably going to have a wood handle too, because this cloth handle's not doing as well as I thought it was going to do, or the cord. Like I said, this is really hard wood, but it cuts through it. Now, where I did my other test that I did not videotape because I didn't have it on. There's a knot there. But there's a knot. As you can see, it does cut through it. There's the lawnmower blade. There's a little bit of a knot. But as you can see, cuts through it. These are good blades. I enjoyed making them, had fun making them. They do the job. I'm gonna have to work on that cord. Hacking greenwood, they'll cut right through that pretty easy. If they'll cut through this hardwood, they'll cut through greenwood easy. Like making them, enjoyed making them. My first thing now is going to be find scrap metal somewhere, good metal. If I want a knife, I'm just going to make it, not bother buying it retail. I'm working on some shorter knives and a cleaver made out of bed frame. And I think they're going to be really good. That bed frame material seems to be high carbon, really good steel. They'll be in the next group of videos. A little bit out of breath after that. It's overcast here in Texas and a little bit cool. But anyway, that's what these knives will do to hardwood. Carry these out into the field, carry these camping as a camp knife, or if you're out fishing and you got to do a little bit of bushwhacking through some vines and stuff, either one of these will be great for that. And again, I just did them in my forge, Mr. Volcano, $135 forge, 44-pound anvil. store-bought hammers, Harbor Freight belt grinder for 50 bucks, and this is what I end up with. This is my opinion, but both of those knives together come close to covering the cost of what I got into making them. I'm not impressed with them. But anyway, I'm going to do some more video on the bed frame knives. You'll be seeing some of those and see how they do. My initial test on quenching them went real well, turned out real good. So that'll be one of my future videos, and we'll just see how this knife project develops and continues going on. Thanks for watching.